CoLaborator Incorporated actively seeks interns to test a new program. The program is for now known as the Intern to Partner Program. The program will allow for interns to gain hands-on real-world business experience and potentially reap the benefits of the success that they helped create in exchange for a service that they have a little experience in but could use more. In 2022 we seek to add as many individuals to the Intern to Partner program as we can to test it out before going full speed on it. The goal of the program is for many of the interns in the program to eventually become a partner in one of our groups or an employee of CoLaborator Incorporated. CoLaborator Incorporated, the CoLaborator Tech Group, and the CoLaborator Marketing Group all have spots available for individuals who are especially interested in web design, web development, app development, digital marketing, social media marketing, video marketing, content marketing, email marketing, SEO, paid advertising and other services that can utilize the CoLaborator Web Builder Studio and help service the CoLaborator overall.